The housing market is so bad right now, it's actually affecting all of our bottom line, even if you don't own a home. Today, amid housing market concerns, the Federal Reserve decided to leave interest rates alone. They're going to stay put at 5.25%. Most of the fuss is about the mortgage meltdown, which keeps on melting. American Home Mortgage went belly up today. That brings the total number of mortgage companies to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy to 50. American Home was not a subprime lender. This meltdown is now affecting solid borrowers. First on Fox, Lauren LaFontina is live to show us exactly what all of that means, because, Lauren, it can be confusing.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot to take in, but we're going to make it simple for you tonight. What we want you to know, Amy, is that American Home Mortgage was the 10th largest home lender in the nation. This is not boiler room lending tactics we're talking about anymore. And even if you've got good credit and a solid income, you could be affected by this too.
Now he's got to do it all over again.
David and Nikki King are moving to Michigan. New jobs are waiting for them. Their 8-year-old daughter is already enrolled in a new school. They're packed and the U-Haul is ready. All they had left to do, get through the closing of their Ocoee home, which was all set for next week.
We're told in the 11th hour the loan is all of a sudden not approved, after we've been told for the past 5.5 weeks that it was.
The Kings found out this morning their buyer could not get financing.
I mean, it's a done deal. And then, bam, out of nowhere, we get hit with this. This morning, we have been frantically unpacking things in order to make the house look livable, because we've got to now turn around and try to sell it again.
So far this year, 50 mortgage companies have closed up shop. No more loans available.
This program no longer exists.
Laura Myers with Security One Mortgage says it's a dangerous combination of people not making their payments and housing prices going down, down, down.
These mortgage companies couldn't get the backing on Wall Street to sell more loans, so they had to close their doors.
Her advice to sellers?
I think now more than ever it's crucial to make sure that, if you're a seller, that the buyer who's buying your home, that they're approved with a lender that's doing a traditional mortgage.
No more creative financing. Her advice to buyers? Get real.
People are going to have to rethink their budget and what they're looking to spend for a house.
So who's being held accountable for this? You're messing with people's lives here.
Some political heavyweights, including presidential hopeful Hillary Clinton, continue to call for federal bailouts to help people get through this mortgage meltdown. Amy?
Well, what about if you're an existing homeowner, you find out your mortgage company is one of those that's filed bankruptcy? What happens to you?
Well, it's actually quite similar to what happens when your insurance company drops you, something we unfortunately know a lot about here in Florida. You should get a letter in the mail saying that your mortgage has been sold to another company, but your loan itself should not change in any way.
All right, well, that's good to know. Lauren, thank you.